Hello, this is Aditya Chari, roll number 20MF10002 of section 10. Now this is DIY assignment 4. This is running the motor, Arduino motor here. So let's see how it runs from the source code. So here the speed of the motor basically is PWM, which is pulse modulation values, waves, and speed of the motor is given by PWM divided by 255 the max speed. So here PWM is 200 divided by 255. Max speed depends on the motor which is given. So let's see the setup here. I'll change this. Schematic capture. Here this is the motor we are going to run, and then this is the motor we are going to run. So this is connected to output 1, as we can see here. So this output 1 is connected to input 1, 2 and ENA. So basically we are going to supply the PWMA waves to the ENA, which is connected to IO4, which is input 4. And here the direction of the uh, motor is taken care of by input 12, which is connected to pin 1. So here we have written like pin mode 12 comma output IN1. So it's 12 is connected to input 1, so I written comments like that. So if I write 12 comma 1 or 12 comma I, it will run clockwise. So next thing is how to put brake on this motor. That is connected to pin 2, the brakes, which is connected to input output 8. And this pin 2 is connected to an XNOR gate, which gives true values when both 1 and 2 values are true or false. So XNOR gate becomes true in that case, and the operation is carried out. And for disabling, we'll write 8 comma low or 8 comma 0, and this output is shown through ENA, which actually ENA, it shows the output, which is actually connected to P6, and this P6 connected to P4, which is ENA. It's connected, and this affects the motor. So in a loop we'll write analog write of 6 comma PWM. So basically it gives pulse modulated waves to 6 input output 6 pin, and this gives to input output 4, and which affects the motor. So we'll run the project here, simulation, and you can see here the values are increasing. Here the motor is running clockwise and has come to a stop here to 34.9 rpm. So I'll stop the simulation here, and we can see, we can calculate the max speed from that also. Basically if I make this as half, it doesn't come as half, because due to the internal building of the motor, it happens like that, comes to around 14 rpm or something. So yeah, this is how the motor gets affected, and this is the first project. And for the second part of the project, which is no thread, this is the CMD, no thread. So here basically I'm going to check the water level and gas pressure. So see, this water level, this template is taken from here, which is a slider. Slider is used for changing the values inside the water level instrument, and this gives the values in like speedometer, this one output like here. And and here the gas pressure, this is also on slider, and this gas pressure gives, it's a chart here. So here it displays the gas pressure values in the chart. And so yeah, there are actually the two groups here which I created. And here in gas pressure, if I take, it'll give the values in blue color, which is like default, and water level values will go till 100. So I'll run it here, and you can see the gas pressure I slide here, it's increasing, this decreasing. This is the slider, this is the chart. Here for the water level also, this is the slider here. And I've given different range values for like 0 to 30 it's green, 30 to 60 it's yellow, and 60 to 100 is red. So here I'll run it in my mobile also.
This is my mobile, and here if I vary the gas pressure values, it's increasing, and it's increasing the laptop also. These two devices are connected to my Wi-Fi connection, Wi-Fi LAN connection. And here the water level value also, if I increase here, it's increasing, and the color is also changing, as you can see. So yeah, this is my project, and thank you.